In this video, I'll show you how to download Jump Force on your PC. First, open your web browser and search for the official Bandai Namco website. Keep in mind that Jump Force has been removed from the Steam store, so you can no longer purchase it directly through Steam. Once you're on the Bandai Namco website, search for Jump Force. If the game is still available in your region, open its product page and choose the edition you want. Next, select your preferred platform and follow the on-screen instructions to complete your purchase. After purchasing the game, download and install it using the platform or launcher provided with your purchase. If Jump Force is no longer available for purchase in your region, you'll need to obtain it through an official retailer or use a copy that you already own. And that's how you can download Jump Force on your PC.